Hello again, this is Terry. The sixth chapter of Terry's Cute Animals is about the white-headed long-tailed tit. People call this animal white-headed long-tailed tit because of its tiny, round, and pure white appearance. People love this little bird. White-headed long-tailed tits love to eat eggs and larvae of moths and butterflies, seeds, and maple sap. White-headed long-tailed tits are found in Europe, Siberia, Korea, and Japan. You can find them in winter, but it is difficult to see the little birds because they are rarely found. White-headed long-tailed tits live on nests. The nest of the long-tailed tit is constructed from moss, feathers, and spider egg cocoons. They usually stay on top of trees, but sometimes stay on the ground when they need water. The head of the white-headed long-tailed tit that lives in Korea is pure white. So the white-headed long-tailed tit that lives in Korea looks like a cotton ball because of its tiny, round, and white appearance. White-headed long-tailed tits have a very long tail. That is why this tiny bird is called the long-tailed tit. That's it for today. Which animal should be next? If you have any interest, please look forward to see the next episode. See you then. Bye bye.